In this video, we're going to install this driver's side fender liner, this 2008 Acura MDX. All right, we're going to take our wheel off and use a 22mm socket. All right, we're going to take out these 4 Phillips screws on our front mud flap. So now we can take our front mud flap, just pull it forward a little. We don't need to fully take it off to get our liner out. All right, so now what we can do is we can start working on these clips. These are going to be push clips. We'll use our panel tool or our trim tool. So you can also try and take these out with just a pick tool or a pocket screwdriver and just gently get them started left and right, like that. You should also have a Phillips screw bit here. Ours didn't come with it. All right, so we have 2 more push clips up front. All right, now your fender liner should drop right out. And just rotate it right out. All right, to install your fender liner, you're just going to kind of center it up. Rotate it forward so you can get your back end underneath your mud flap. Just go ahead and work that in behind the mud flap, and that'll hold that back end in place. All right, we're going to put a clip in up top here to hold it in place. Right here. All right, now we can work around and just put our clips back in place. All right, now we can put our 4 screws back in our mud flap. All right, so now we can take this, slide it back underneath. If you can use this, put your finger behind there and just hold those 2 together while you push your clip in. All right, so we're just going to not torque these, but just tighten them up, and we'll come back and torque them. All right, so now we can torque down our lug nuts. We're going to tighten them down to 94 foot-pounds. Again, we're going to use a 22mm socket for that. We're going to do them in a crisscross pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.